A secret recipe from Austrian grandmother's kitchen. Germknödel. Hello everyone, I'm Marcus from Kulinarisch. In Austria, there is a dish well known by every Austrian. A steamed Yeast dumpling stuffed and covered with yummies. Curious? Then stay with me. Right off the bat, I warm 150 ml milk and 70 grams butter in my granny's moka pot until lukewarm. Now add 300 grams all-purpose flour, 40 grams sugar, a pinch of salt and 2 grams fresh yeast in a bowl and mix it well. Use a kitchen machine and mix the flour mixture with the lukewarm milk and butter. Let it run for 10 minutes on medium speed. The dough should look like this after. Knead it a bit with your hand. Form a ball and let it rest for about 1 hour. After resting, the dough should be double in size and soft. Make a roll and divide it in 3 pieces. Flatten them to fill them with jam. Classic, they use plum jam, but I also use blackberry jam. Put 1 tablespoon jam in each of the dough shells and close them by bringing the corners together. Then form them round. There are 2 ways to cook the Germknödel. Steaming it over the water in a pot. For that you need a perforated insert. Then cover it with the lid and let it steam for about 30 minutes. Don't open it during this time, because the dumpling will collapse. But there's a classic way, like grandmothers did in the past. Heat up 200 ml milk, a pinch of salt, 40 grams butter and 1 tablespoon sugar. Bring it to a boil and put the dumpling in the milk mixture. And cover it with the lid. Turn down the heat to medium and don't remove the lid for 30 minutes. I grind freshly poppy seed to extract the oil and release the flavor. Always do it fresh before use, otherwise they oxidate and get bad in taste. Poppy seed color is gray, but after the grinding they turn to black. Mix powdered sugar with the ground poppy seeds for the topping. After 30 minutes, both dumplings are ready. This one is cracked. That could happen if the dumpling is not evenly formed into a ball. This dumpling is served in vanilla sauce. You can buy it or make it yourself. Dish the dumpling on the sauce and sprinkle generous amount of poppy seed all over it. The second is nice and perfect. Dish it like the other on vanilla sauce. In Austria, they eat them not just as dessert, also as lunch. Let's try them. It is so squishy, even cutting it is enjoyable. It just screams for a sauce, and the vanilla sauce is the best answer. The jam is the fruity kick that makes this whole dish perfect. The poppy seed adds a special touch to the dish, kind of spiciness and texture. Look at it. If you liked the video, consider a thumb up, and if you want to see more, subscribe. Thanks for watching.